Megan Boswell, the mother of missing Sullivan County toddler Evelyn Boswell, is indicted on 11 counts of false reports. Good evening, I'm Sarah Diamond.
I'm Josh Smith. February 19th, the Tennessee Bureau of Investigation and the Sullivan County Sheriff's Office issued that Amber Alert for missing toddler Evelyn Boswell. Investigators at the time said the child had not been seen since December.
Then February 25th, Megan was arrested for providing false information to authorities.
March 6th, the toddler's remains were found in a shed on the family's property along Muddy Creek Road in Blountville.
News Channel 11's ANSLEE Daniel has been following this case since the beginning.
And tonight she has the latest on these new indictments. It's our top story at 11.
Josh and Sarah, I've traveled to North Carolina with this case, sat down with Megan Boswell on camera, and was there the night Evelyn's remains were found. This evening, 11 charges of false reports came from the Sullivan County District Attorney's Office. Those charges ranging between February 18th and 23rd, all Class D felonies.
From the very beginning of the investigation into what happened to Sullivan County toddler Evelyn Boswell, authorities said her mother, Megan, gave conflicting statements.
She is cooperating, but like I say, some of the information she's given us hadn't been really accurate.
Wednesday, 2.5 months after her daughter's body was found, prosecutors indicted Megan Boswell on 11 counts of false reports.
The allegations are that the defendant's given false statements to law enforcement. And we have 11 separate incidents that we've alleged. And I can't comment on the evidence and the proof.
Some of those allegedly false statements include telling investigators that Evelyn was with her father, Ethan Perry, and that he wouldn't respond to her phone calls or text messages. Another accusation that Megan told investigators was she last saw Evelyn on December 26th with her father, and that she didn't contact police about her missing child because her mother, Angela Boswell, told her not to, a claim she repeated in this News Channel 11 interview on February 24th.
And I know a lot of people are like, oh, why didn't you report it missing earlier? Because my mom threatened me and I just want her back.
Investigators say Megan told them her mother, Angela, gave Evelyn to someone else, who Angela knew but wouldn't tell Megan.
When did you know that something was wrong?
Just when she left and took off and just to answer her phone. Or the person that is in Mendota has had her the whole time.
All 11 indictments are for making false reports, but no charges have been filed against anyone in regards to Evelyn's death. Investigators will only say,
we have point of interest, a person of interest.
Attorney General Staubus would not comment on the status of the investigation, only the current charges against Megan Boswell. She will be back in court on May 28th, where her $150,000 bond could be lowered. She is also due in court June 19th. Josh?
ANSLEE Daniel, thank you. We have posted the full indictments from the Sullivan County District Attorney General's office on WJHL.com tonight.